Hi guys, happy Monday. You know, I didn't plan to do a video today because I have so much on my plate, literally. And I don't know, I just thought I would do a quick little video to show you what's going on around here before we get into the throes of Christmas galore. So this weekend, we had all the floors demoed and then we had all new floors installed. It looks so much better, so much better. But there was a problem. They ran out of wood. I know, and shoe molding. So they left it sort of unfinished in areas, well, in a lot of areas. And they left all the furniture crazy for the most part. You can see we did get this area put back together, but the kitchen, that's another story. So I thought I would share real life. I did move the furniture around. I'm still playing with it. Now, if we go over here, there's my light ring. This is just sort of a mess. We've got furniture all over the place. Let's go. We've got the refrigerator. This is going. Our new appliances are going to come today. And we are getting ready to install under cabinet lighting that will go under here. So we've got a contractor coming for that. Our new stove's getting installed. Microwave, double dishwasher drawers. Look at what I got to clean here. Sub-Zero's getting installed here today. And then you can see this little sunroom area. See, they ran out of the shoe molding. That's all the old molding. So, and then they put the curtains. I just got my curtains all steamed and pretty. And they had to get hung like that. So I'll have to throw those in the steamer again. And of course, I've got white dust everywhere. Here's my mirror just sitting out. And here's the family room. So I've decided to move some of my furniture around in different places. And over here, you'll have to excuse the trash bag. We are throwing odds and ends in there. But I moved that there, and I want to decorate that a little differently. So we may do that today just to do something. So this is the pretty cabinet that I bought on Amazon. I'll link it below. Because I had a lower profile cabinet sitting below here, I'm going to have to move this up. So I'm going to hang that first, and then we'll get started. Got it hung. Now here is my little curtain ring tip. This is for a curtain rod. I just bend this part and take it off. And then I kind of pull it out a little bit more, and it becomes a hook. See? And then this will allow me to take my wreath, and then I just go right back here, clip it, and then hang it on that metal wall embellishment. Easy peasy. And then I usually just hang it on one of these little areas. And now I'm going to go run down in my basement and see if I can find some sort of a garland with some lights in it. I'll be right back. All right, I went down to the basement. I grabbed some garland that already had lights in it. This is garland that I got from Walmart last year. And I doubled up because it's as beautiful as it is. It's a little sparse. It's actually what I used on my mantle, and I had to add to it. So anyway, we're gonna see if it works. And I just opened another extension cord. Let's see if this lights up. As I always love to say, let there be light. Twinkle lights. Boy, oh boy, is it raining cats and dogs here today, but I have to say it's the perfect cozy day to add a little Christmas joy, right? So anyway, I ran down to the basement and my initial thought was, Liz, go grab those big brass deer you have. I have some in varying heights. I had 3, and I was gonna do one here, another one, and then another one. Add some pine cones and ribbon and call it a day. But something caught my eye. A box full of nutcrackers. So I might add those and these and some ribbon. So I grabbed some scissors. So as you see, I've got my little nutcracker friends here. Let's strategically place them, and then we'll add the ribbon.
I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year.
So I was just looking in my ribbon stash, and I've got this big ribbon. I got this at Michael's. It almost looks like scarf material. And then I have this ribbon. Now this reminds me more of MacKenzie-Childs. And actually, I bought this to go in my mantle and totally forgot to put ribbon in my mantle this year. Guess I had other things on my mind, you know, with all this renovation stuff. But nonetheless, I thought, what if I put the two together? This will kind of dress it up just a little bit. And maybe I could weave it in and out and then add something else. Duh, I forgot to add these. These will add a cute touch. My daughter picked these up for me at TJ Maxx.
I am on my way again. Can't believe it's been a year. Riding through the winter night, thinking of my only wish.
Are you seeing where I'm going with this, you guys? I think it'll be cute. I'm gonna take this amount right here. I'm gonna pinch this. Then I'm gonna take a branch. Just like this. And I'm gonna go ring around the rosy with it. Just like that. These will be the tails at the end. Guys, I've got 3 kids home, virtual school. One's doing her last week of college, so you may hear stuff in the background, real life. So I thought, what else could I add? And I ordered these pre-made bows on Amazon. This is going with my whole theme here in the family room for Christmas. So I thought maybe, just maybe, I could add a couple of these bows, because you guys know I'm bow challenged. But I do kind of like the buffalo plaid mixed with that other ribbon because it just gives it more visual interest. So when these bows come out of the bag, they're flat. So they are really good quality. I love the fact that they're wire. You can bend them right into place and it's gonna look cute. So I'm gonna fluff this out and then I might add a couple, you know? Why not? You guys know I can't just stop at that. No, I have to keep going. See, you can make them nice and poofy. So I might just add a couple. This is for us bow challenge folks. Amazon to the rescue. Now to add a little more color, I found a box full of a bunch of these. So I thought I would just kind of stick these in strategically just to add those little pops of Christmas joy. I have a couple of these just to add a little pop of gold glittered whimsy. I have some of these. I'm going to put these in.
Yeah.